Hello everyone, welcome to the Hard Reset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to take a burst shot photo or a series of pictures on the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7. So the first thing that we're going to do is open up the camera app, and then we're going to just hold down the top volume up button while taking the photos. So we're just going to hold the button, and as you can see, it will start taking burst shots in like quick succession. So it's taken 31 photos. They are like combined in a folder. If we go to the camera gallery, I can press on this button on the bottom to look at review all of the photos and just select the items that we want to delete or the items that we want to keep. So just for example, I'm gonna select this ground photo, which means that this is the main photo, or like the best basically, and this one, and then I'm just going to press save, so to save 2 pictures from the burst shot. So there you go, the 2 pictures have been saved, and I can delete the rest to not clutter up my storage. So that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.